Hi, and welcome to Cooking with Emily Rassam. Today we are making immune-boosting smoothie shots. These are a great alternative that you can make at home instead of having to head to the juice bar for your ginger shot every single day. We're going to start with some fresh spices and fruit. About 2 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons of ginger, a teaspoon of fresh turmeric, 1 whole orange and an apple, and a whole lemon. You're going to want to use a really good food processor or blender for this. First thing is to add your ginger and turmeric with some lemon juice. You're going to want to blend up your ginger first so it's not as fibrous and you don't start making it as frothy with the orange and apple. Those tend to get a little frothy in your blender, and so I like to mix up the harder textured ingredients first. It will help them start breaking up. So once you've added the ginger and the lemon juice, pulse that a bit until it starts getting smooth, and then you can add your fruit. I really like adding apple to this mix, and fresh orange. It makes the ginger not quite as spicy tasting, but you still get all the great benefits of fresh ginger root. Once you've added all the fruit, I like to hit the puree setting. As you can see, it starts to get really smooth. You might want to blend it a couple of times while scraping the sides down so that you make sure to get all of the chunks pureed into a smoothie texture. Once it's done blending, it'll look a lot like this. Sometimes I like to add some water to it so it's easier to drink, since these ingredients, once you mix them up, will be a little bit thick. Once you've blended it well, pour it into a nice serving glass and enjoy. I hope you like these as much as our family does. Until next time, like and subscribe to our channel.